Hello students. So in today's practical session, we are basically going to implement a congestion control algorithm, which is your leaky bucket algorithm. You have already studied what leaky bucket algorithm does. I have taken in my theory class. Basically, we have got the packets that are arriving, and once the packets arrive, what do is we check whether the queue FIFO queue is full or empty. If the FIFO queue is full, we discard the packets. However, if the queue is empty, then we place those many packets in the queue. In leaky bucket algorithm, you know what is the flow. You have got a bucket, okay, which resembles your queue or buffer, and you have got packets that are entering into the bucket with a very high speed. You have got a hole at the bottom which tries to provide a uniform flow or the rate of packets, the outgoing packets, isn't it? One point of concern over here is that if the bucket is full, then the packets are discarded, which is a limitation, and this limitation is overcome by token bucket algorithm, which is a variant of leaky bucket algorithm. So we are going to see or explore leaky bucket algorithm in today's practical session. You have to implement leaky bucket algorithm in Java and show me the output. So I am going to explain to you the code in Java for leaky bucket algorithm, and then I'll show you the execution of the code. So basically we import the packet java.util.asterisk. Utility packet has been imported. We basically name the class as bucket. You can name the class anything of your choice and keep the class as public. Then we take two inputs which are of data type int, packet size and output, and the bucket size. We have assigned an integer value which is 512. We use if condition to check if the packet size is greater than the bucket size, that is 512. अगर packet size जो हम input कर रहे हैं, if it is greater than the bucket size, then we will print bucket overflow. If not, we are going to do what? If the packet size is not greater than the output, then we are basically going to this output which is there, we are going to basically add with the bytes outputted, that is how many bytes have been output. So packet size क्या होगा over here? Your actual packet size, whatever input you are giving, all right, minus the output value, and इसका difference will be stored in this packet size. However, if the packet size is greater than 0, then it is once again packet size plus the total number of bytes that are outputted. Clear? So if packet size is greater than output, it is output plus the bytes outputted. And if the packet size is greater than 0, then it is packet size plus bytes outputted. You will understand this in a much deeper manner when I show you the execution. Then we basically use public static void main function with string args. The input is output, packet size and your n with data type int. We are using scanner class. Scanner read is equal to new scanner system dot in. Then very important is we are basically using a random function, okay, and we have to first enter the output rate. So we have written system.out.println, and output, whatever output which is there, it will be stored in this particular variable output. Then we have to enter the number of packets and store its value in n. We use a for loop where we initialize I to 1, I less than equal to n, that is the number of packets, and increment the value of I. We check for the packet size whether it is 1000. Then it will be packet number plus I ka value that we are getting it from the for loop and the packet size plus PKT size. Solution will be the packet size and the output. So this is the code in Java for implementing leaky bucket algorithm. I'll show you the execution, how you are supposed to do it. So you are going to go to File, Save As. You will save this file as your bucket.java. I have already done this, and this file you are basically going to copy and paste it inside your bin folder where your JDK is present. So I am using JDK 15.0.1 version. Within that, I'll go to the bin folder, and as you can see, I have successfully copy pasted my bucket.java file. I'll go to my command prompt and I'll set the path, that is cd space okay. So my directory has already been set. So Java C space file name, which is the same name as that of your class. Alright, Java C space bucket.java. So my compilation is done successfully. Now I'll do the execution. So the code is Java space file name. So output rate I am giving 100. Alright, number of packets I am giving 5. Now you can see over here, my packet number 1, what is my packet size? 295, isn't it? So what is happening? 100 into 5 is 500. That is the output rate into the number of packets, because it is less than my packet size. What is happening? The entire 100 bytes are getting outputted. Okay, so 100 plus 100 plus 95, which is 295. Packet number 2, what is happening? It is 472. That is why it is getting outputted 100, 100, 100, 100 and then 72. Packet number 3, it is 257 and it is happening again, the output is happening 100, 157. Packet 439 got outputted. But if you see packet number 5, my actual rate is 500 and it is exceeding. 532 is my packet size and my bucket can hold only 500. So it shows bucket overflow. So this is how leaky bucket algorithm is implemented in Java. Thank you.